Hello everyone, in today's lesson you will learn how to access the basic pen testing one vulnerable machine. So you will download this machine from the vulnerable hub. The link is provided. You can download and open in the VirtualBox and do the necessary setting of the network. Start the both machines and you will just change the network setting and you will use the NAT network, and you need to change the one setting. Just allow, and then you will do the same things for the Kali Linux machine. Start the Kali Linux machine and just use your username and the password. And after this you will check the network IP address and the network name, because you need this address in next steps. So you will use the ifconfig command, and this is my Kali Linux IP address. Then you will use this command. So this command will scan your local network to find all connected devices, and it will automatically scan all the LAN networks. It requires password, and so now this is the result. These are the IP addresses. So you will check the match the MAC addresses in the VirtualBox network setting, and then you will get your vulnerable machine correct IP address. So in my case this is the MAC address, so it's mean so the last address is for the vulnerable machine address. So now you need to open the root terminal and use the further command. And you will just type your Kali vulnerable machine IP address. So this command will provide you to scan the target IP to detect the open ports and the services running on them. And this is the result. 21 port is open, 22 is open, and the 80 port is open, and it is working on the Apache HTTPD 2.4.18 Ubuntu version. You will just open the browser and just type the vulnerable machine address here, and then you will check the output and results. Yeah, so it works. This is the default web page of the server. Okay, so but nothing is important in this page. You will also see the source code that is available in the simple 3-2 lines. So the searchsploit comes pre-installed in the Kali Linux because it provides the fast offline access to the exploit database for quick vulnerability and exploit the searches. You will use this command. So now the one useful information is available, Metasploit. So now you will launch the Metasploit by using the msfconsole, and you can just start this. So now you can see the payloads and the other files are available in the Metasploit framework. So now you will search the specific payload which you require for that vulnerable machine, that is the Pro FTP. And you will just write the version, and you can see this module is available. You will check all the options, and you need to set the target host. Target host means the vulnerable machine IP address you need. So you'll just set the vulnerable machine IP address here. And then after this you will check the payloads. And these payloads are available. So we need the reverse payload. So we'll just copy. Copy the complete name or just use the numbers. So in my case I am using the set payload 4, and then you will check the options. and this is the R host. So now you need to set the payload, and you will just use your Kali machine IP address here. And just run. Now the session is open. Now you will access the root directory and check the root directory by using the who-mi command and change the directory, and check all the files inside in this directory. And this is the root directory, so we'll just access the root and check documents inside, and then you will use another command, and then you will get the detail list. Now you have access all the files. Thanks for watching.